For years, Apple's sleek little black box has been the undisputed king of premium streaming. But behind the scenes, the tech giant has been quietly engineering something so vastly superior that it fundamentally changes what a streaming device can actually do. If you were thinking about buying an Apple TV today, put your wallet away. The upcoming 2026 Apple TV is a massive leap in processing power, true console-level gaming, mind-bending smart home integration, and a completely revamped AI experience. Welcome back to Tap Tech, your premier source for the most accurate tech leaks on the internet. In today's video, we are diving deep into the heavily guarded secrets of the highly anticipated 2026 Apple TV. We have exclusive details on the insane new silicon powering this beast, a brand new remote you will never be able to lose, and a rumored feature turning your television into the ultimate interactive hub. You will want to watch this to the end, because Apple's aggressive pricing strategy will absolutely shock you. Let's get right into it. To understand why the 2026 Apple TV is a monumental release, we must talk about why Apple left us waiting. The previous models relied on older chip architectures, which is a death sentence in the fast-paced tech world. According to industry insiders, the hardware for the new Apple TV has been ready. The delay is entirely because of Apple Intelligence. Apple refused to release new living room hardware until their highly anticipated AI infrastructure was ready to take over your television. Older versions of Siri on the Apple TV were basic and frustrating. The 2026 Apple TV is engineered from the ground up to serve as the ultimate Trojan horse for Apple Intelligence in your home. We are talking about a context-aware AI assistant that understands natural conversation. Imagine telling your TV to show the movie where the guy is stuck on Mars, but skip straight to the part where he grows potatoes. The system instantly understands, pulls up The Martian, and scrubs to the exact timestamp. You can ask complex questions about actors currently on screen, pull up live interactive sports stats without interrupting your game, or command your TV to dynamically generate a customized ambient screensaver based on your exact mood. To power all of this next-generation artificial intelligence, the old silicon had to go. Leaks indicate the 2026 Apple TV is making an unprecedented leap to the A17 Pro chip, or potentially a custom variant of the A18 series. This is the exact same powerhouse processing architecture found in Apple's top-tier flagship iPhones. Why do you need smartphone-level processing power just to stream movies? The answer is memory bandwidth and high-end gaming. To run Apple Intelligence natively without annoying cloud lag, Apple is bumping up the internal memory significantly. This upgrade makes the interface buttery smooth, eliminating app loading times. But the real game-changer is hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Apple has pushed incredibly hard to turn its ecosystem into a respected gaming platform. With this pro-level chip, your living room streaming box will suddenly be capable of playing massive AAA console titles natively. No cloud streaming latency, no dropped frames. You simply pair your PlayStation or Xbox controller via ultra-low latency Bluetooth, and your Apple TV instantly transforms into a legitimate console. This is Apple's most aggressive move to dominate the living room, bridging the gap between premium movie streaming and high-end gaming. Now, let's talk about connectivity. If you pay for premium internet in the United States or anywhere else, your hardware needs to take full advantage of it. The 2026 Apple TV is rumored to feature Apple's brand new networking architecture, giving us uncompromised Wi-Fi 7 support. Utilizing the ultra-fast 6 GHz band, it delivers dramatically faster download speeds, incredibly low latency, and zero buffering even when your family is streaming 4K movies and downloading massive game files simultaneously. This networking hardware makes the Apple TV the undisputed brain of your entire smart home. The new model features enhanced Thread and Matter support. If you have smart lights, smart locks, or security cameras, the Apple TV acts as the ultimate centralized border router. Everything responds instantly. Speaking of the smart home, there is a massive rumor about camera integration. While the 2026 Apple TV retains its sleek black design, it could seamlessly interact with your iPhone's camera for native, wide-angle FaceTime calls right from your couch. The AI dynamically tracks you, zooming and panning as you move around your living room, making it feel like the person you are calling is sitting right there. Furthermore, new spatial audio enhancements will make your living room feel like a true cinematic theater. By seamlessly pairing multiple home pods, the resulting soundscape will completely immerse you into scenes. Before we get to the shocking pricing strategy and release date, we desperately need to talk about the remote control. We have all been there. You are ready to watch a movie, but you end up tearing the living room apart trying to find that tiny, slippery aluminum remote. Apple has finally listened. The 2026 Apple TV will ship with a newly updated Siri Remote featuring a built-in ultra-wideband precision finding chip. This is the exact same tracking technology used in AirTags. When you inevitably lose the remote inside the couch, you pull out your iPhone, open the Find My app, and your phone screen transforms into a compass. It points directly to the exact location of the remote with an on-screen arrow and a real-time distance countdown, playing a loud chime from a built-in speaker. For anyone who shares a household with kids or is just forgetful, this massive quality of life upgrade alone is practically worth the price of the entire system. So, with all these industry-disrupting upgrades, from pro-level silicon, Wi-Fi 7, on-device AI, console gaming, and a precision finding remote, how much is this absolute powerhouse going to cost? Instead of raising the price to match the hardware, Apple is expected to introduce a highly competitive pricing model designed to completely undercut the competition. Leaks suggest the base model of the 2026 Apple TV could aggressively start at a price point, making it an absolute impulse buy. For heavy power users, there will still be a premium tier including double the internal storage for massive AAA games, a gigabit Ethernet port for hyperstable hardwired connections, and full thread capabilities. As for the release date, reliable intel confirms Apple is aligning this release with their massive fall event right alongside the newest iPhones. If you are rocking an older Apple TV HD or a previous 4K model, do not buy whatever is on the shelf right now. The sheer unprecedented leap in raw performance makes it the most significant home entertainment upgrade Apple has released in a decade. That wraps up everything you need to know about the highly anticipated beast that is the 2026 Apple TV. What feature are you actually the most excited about? Is the inclusion of AAA console quality gaming enough to finally make you upgrade, or are you honestly just here for the brand new remote control you can actually find? Drop your unfiltered thoughts down in the comments below, because I read and reply to every single one. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to smash that like button right now, as it really helps push the video out to more tech lovers just like you. And if you haven't already joined the community, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the most accurate tech leaks, in-depth reviews, and massive rumors. Thank you so much for spending your time watching Tap Tech. Stay ahead of the curve, keep your tech upgraded, and I will absolutely see you in the next video.